Hi, I'm Sherry, in-store at Jones Sew and Vac. Today I'd like to show you how durable this machine is, and it's a great machine for doing mending and heavy work. We're going to start by touching our overcast stitch. Get our lights into the green area. Okay, what this stitch is going to do is overcast the edge of our fabric, similar to a serger stitch. This is going to stop your fabric from fraying. It's really good on your knit fabrics and your woven fabrics. Okay, this is your overcast. Your fabric is only going to fray until it gets down to those seams, your edges here. It'll stop the fray. So it's really good for your woven fabrics that fray a lot. I'm going to show you the reinforcing stitch. This stitch is really good for top stitching as well as a good sturdy seam. This seam actually sews forward, backwards, forward, forward, backwards, forward. Gives you 3 rows of stitching. So this is your good sturdy stitch. Now what I'm going to show you is this thing that we all hate to do. It's that rolled hem over when you're hemming jeans. A lot of our sewing machines don't like to do that stitch, that hem. So did you notice how easy that went up and over my seam? I have 9 layers of denim there and it didn't have a problem at all going over it. So this machine is a good sturdy machine for all your mending needs. This is Sherry, in store at Jones Sew and Vac.